Good morning student, Assalamu alaikum, and welcome back to our online science class. This is Asha Umme Habiba, teacher of Milestone Preparatory KG School, Sector 4 branch. Student, last class we have finished our reading practice of chapter 7 food. Have you learned the chapter properly? Do you understand the chapter properly? Okay student, so before going to our today's lesson, let's review what we learned in this chapter. So in this chapter we have learned that we eat different foods. Food gives us energy to survive and grow. Our food contains various proteins, carbohydrates, fat, and minor elements such as vitamins and minerals. These elements are absorbed in the body. Water is not a nutrient, but adequate safe water is needed for digestion and absorption of the food in our body. The food containing all the essentials for our body in the required quantity is called a balanced diet. A well-balanced diet is very important for us. It keeps us healthy and strong. The body grows well and the risk of disease becomes less. So this is about the food and the nutrition that we have learned in our first class, right? Yes. Now in this chapter we have also learned about fruits and vegetables. Now look here. Fruits and vegetables are rich in vitamins and minerals. Fruits provide nutrition which is vital for our health. We eat many kinds of fruits such as apple, grapes, mango, jackfruit, banana, watermelon, etc. Eating vegetables are good for health. People who eat more vegetables are likely to reduce the risk of diseases. Now, there are many kinds of vegetables such as potato, tomato, cauliflower, cabbage, etc. Now, we also learned in this page that we can get different fruits and vegetables in different season, right? Yes. So there are summer, winter, and some fruits and vegetables that you can find throughout the year. Students, in this chapter we have also learned about preserving food. Now look here. Fresh food makes us healthy and provide energy, but spoiled food would make us sick and weak. Food spoils because of pests and microorganisms getting into food. We need to preserve food to stop spoiling by drying, canning, or bottling or refrigerators. So these are the way of preserving food that we have learned in our last class, right student? So in this chapter, do you have any problem? Okay, if you don't have problem, now let's go. In last class, I have told you to do the book activity page number 52. Have you all completed it? Now, look here student, I have given the answer of the book work. Okay, so fill in the blanks. Number 1. We need dash for surviving and growing. We need food. Vegetables are rich in vitamins and minerals. The major nutrients in our food are protein, carbohydrate, fat. Balanced diet provides all the nutrients. Now look here at the tick mark. Number 2. What is the main function of protein? The answer will be number D. To help the body formation and growth. Now number 2. Which one is the summer fruit? So the summer fruit will be number C, lychee. Now number 3. Which one is rich in protein? So it will be pulse. Pulses are rich in protein that we have learned. Okay. Now student, let's come here the matching. See, I have given the answer of matching here. Protein is fish, vitamin disease prevention, fat cheese, carbohydrate rice. So student, all of you correct it in your book. If your answers are correct, very good. And if you have written some wrong answer, then cut it and write the correct answer. Now student, let's go to our today's lesson. Today is our lecture number 13. Today we are going to do the fill in the blanks and short question answer. Now student, let's go to fill in the blanks. Look here, I have given you 11 fill in the blanks. We eat plants and animals as dash. Flour is made from dash. We get necessary dash from food. Food helps in our dash and provide dash for work. Now, man and animal need food for dash, put in dash up our body. See student, this fill in the blanks is from our reading. We have already completed our reading, right? So, complete the book, fill in the blanks. Okay students? I will give you the answer in next class. Now look here, short question answer. So today we are also going to discuss about the short question answer. Here is given how many short question? 6 short question answer. Now why do we need protein? Now student, look here, the function of protein. See, protein makes our body. Protein is needed to build, repair and maintain muscles and blood. So this will be the answer of question number 1. Student, you remember when we were reading the book, I told you to put the bracket here and I told you that this can come as a question. So this will be the answer of SQ1. Now look here, why is safe water needed? So student, go to page number 45. Look here. Water is not a nutrient, but adequate safe water is needed for digestion and absorption of our body. So this will be the answer of question number 2. Now, what are the function of carbohydrate? Now student, the function of carbohydrate is given here in one line. That means carbohydrate provide energy of doing work. So can you write one word, one sentence? No. So you will write this full para, carbohydrate. Okay, so you will write the full para of carbohydrate in question number 3. Question number 4. What are the major and minor elements of nutrients? Now students, look here, in nutrients there are major elements such as protein, carbohydrate and fat, and minor elements such as vitamins and minerals. Remember student, I have told you that this can come as question and I told you to bracket it. So if you haven't bracketed it yet, so do the bracket and this is your question number 4 answer. Now number 5. What is balanced diet? Now look here students, what is balanced diet? Okay, so student, what is balanced diet? We have already learned it, right? Open your book, page number 46. In page number 46, I told you to put the under bracket, right? The food that contains all the essentials for our body in the required quantity is called balanced diet. Okay, so you will write that one. Now write the names of 3 fruits and that grows throughout the year. Okay, now student, look here, the fruits that grow throughout the year here given papaya, banana and coconut. So student, this is the short questions you have to write. So write the short questions and write the answer. Okay student, so for writing the questions you can pause this video and write the questions first, then you can find the answer from your book. Okay student, now your today's diary is learn SQA and your SW is do the FB and write SQA 246. Okay student, so complete your work properly. I will see you in the next class. Stay safe.